we've taken now 15 minutes in order to charge the battery. Next thing we now need to do is go ahead as far as shut the battery charger off and as far as remove the battery cables. And again, just turn the battery charger off. And again, I like to disconnect the battery from as far as the wall outlet, and so that we don't have as far as any kind of problems with the possible as far as arc that we may have as far as a battery explosion. Now I'm ready to go ahead and remove my cables. It won't make any difference which one I take off first. Okay, red and the black, and we can then go ahead and put this off to the side. Now, at this point, we want to again check the open circuit voltage on using our DVOM and see, are we above 12.6 volts? All right, and then we're going to take as far as and put about a 100 amp load on the battery for about 10 to 15 seconds and recheck it if as far as we are above 12.6 to see as far as if the battery did come up. So again, I'm going to take my DVOM. Red lead will be in the volt ohm diode input. Black lead will be in the common. I'm going to go to volts DC. Okay, on my setup. Hook my red lead to the positive terminal. Hook my black lead up to the negative terminal, and then read, okay, my open circuit voltage. And as you can see, I've got 12.98 volts open circuit voltage after charging. Okay, that's good. Now we can go ahead and using the manual load tester, we're going to put about a 100 amp load on this for 10 seconds to remove what we call the surface charge. If the battery is 12.6 or above, we're good. We can go ahead and do our testing. All right, so again, I just shut this off, remove as far as my DVOM, and I'm going to go ahead and get my manual tester and hook it up. Again, red lead goes as far as the positive, black lead is going to go as far as to the negative terminal on the battery. Make sure you have a good tight connection. Okay. Okay, I've got a good connection, and again, I'm reading about 13 volts. I'm going to take my amp clamp, and I'm going to put it around the red lead of as far as my tester. And remember, I want the arrow pointing towards the battery positive terminal. I'm just going to put that right around there. Remember, what this is for is to sense as far as the amount of current that we're drawing out of here. Okay? I'm just going to push this back out of the way a little bit. Okay? At this point in time, and I'll turn this around, Jen, for you so you can take a picture of it here. Okay? Right now, guys, you can see I'm at 12.9 volts. Okay? I'm going to turn this knob until I have as far as 100 amps on here. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and watch as far as that goes my clock up here for about 10 seconds. So let me take it up to about 100 amps. Okay? And again, I'm a little high on my amperage. That's getting a little warm. I want to keep my hand away from the vent. So there's about 10 seconds there. I'll hit freeze. Okay? And as far as once I've done that, now I'm going to go ahead and just release this. So I want to see what the voltage is now. Okay? And again, looks like we're reading about 12.7. Okay? I'm just going to check it with my meter just to make sure that that's where we're still at. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Actually, I can turn this around, Jen, real quick if you can. Turn this so you can see. We're reading about 12.7 after I did that with a 100 amp load for 10 seconds. Okay, to verify that, I'm going to use my other meter. And again, black lead to the negative, red lead to the positive. And I am reading 12.79 volts. So this battery did come up quite well, okay, after we did the 15-minute charge test. So we are now can do as far as our battery load testing for this battery, okay? You want to cut?